Is up, ladies and gents? Backtesting. Don't mind the balance. Doing all types of shit on this account. I do see right away 830, probably CPI. I'm expecting us to rebalance price. A lot of the times, if we're low enough, aggression, I can just long EQ, have a stop there. It's super here. Best bet is if we open low, take swing, get rebalanced, and we don't get that low. Like I said, a lot of the times see what we're gonna do out of EQ. We're gonna keep higher. It's immediate high. Playing this on the 50 mechanically. They don't like anything. I'm just want out of here. Gap or gap. Because it is the high of the data wick. Not very obvious. Wait for one. Oh, and before a lot of times in this scenario, we'll take it that down. High. We take this data high and then like look for like a short opportunity. Now, right when we take data highs, take data lows and then versa. Really nice gap here. SMT at the high. See if we're gonna end up like turning here. Still ripping through this gap. Unity. I need to see like I need like a resweep here. Or printed. Copy. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the PM session. I'm gonna look to I'm gonna rebalance. Maybe towards this. So we're gonna play this out just right. Gap. Here. I actually want to take like stabs at this. I'm taking an entry here. This is based off this 5 and 15 minutes. And I like how my stop will be protected by this and like fair value gap. I'm gonna give this full. I'm not gonna go break you. We reswept high, respecting this 4-hour bear gap. Now we have block. Take this happening at this out. A lot of conviction. We'd rebalance. Like, two. We also have that data low. Right? And that 30-minute is equilibrium of this leg. I was protected by this 5-minute, by this rejection block, 30-minute rejection block, 1 hour block. We go on to the next day here. And actually check if we did 830 low. We didn't take this data low from yesterday. Probably end up being a yes, might have actually yes. That is not. I was just like so obvious. It's going to be something I'm going to look to target though. Respecting these 15-minute gaps, respecting this, right? Respecting these 15-minute bearish gaps, respecting this 15-minute bearish gap. I assume the hourly. We are pushing out of this hourly gap. Maybe it's like a 10 a.m. thing. Wait till we flush. You want to see displacement lower towards this data low. And I could possibly like looks like we're going to be able to. There's 5-minute here. Really nice speed. So can we trade higher? Run on me. Hopefully we can maybe stay around here. Chopper. Oh, so obvious. That was yesterday's data low. We saw it taking a lot of speed here. Just 5-minute. An entry on 12. I did have a fine. It just take low. I want to see how we react out of it. Are we gonna get like a bullish move? Gonna make this 50 cap in 2 minutes. That's low. I do. What we do? We don't. Yes, took it. And we took the 10. Resweep. Gotta get this 50 gap. I mean, if we push through this 50 gap, take longs up here. Five-minute. This is for bearish, actually. Disgustingly bearish. Correlated. Yes, wants this low. Not gonna touch it. Takes. They got a little bit correlated again, though. This is the data low now from 10 a.m. Taken. Full blown reverse. All right. So we're gonna look to take a long position here now that that data low is taken. I want to see some speed here. Not even a gap. All right, I'm not catching this falling knife. Obvious manipulation. If we can invert this 5-minute though, have this nice ass high to go break even. Take a position. One-to-one business. One-to-one will be Pass this high. ES takes this high, I'll go break even. Save a few. Actually, cool. So we save a few points. 1-to-1 will be right at that high. And if ES takes high, yeah. Five minutes. Quick mark out this high. ES looks that high too. Don't break even there. ES is now. We have SMT here. Definitely break even. I'm not gonna TP here. Definitely break even there. Okay, so it's gonna break me even. Break even trade here. Try this 5 minute. Now what are you gonna do? You break even there. Second day. Do Monday. It's and giggles. All right, nice. Confidence in that high. Speed. I mean, the only way you could have won the and you just do. Maybe you can like refine your entry at the 5 minute down there. That would be mindset right there. Intermediate low. Daily intermediate. Previous is low and this daily intermediate. 4 hour. Don't, because our guy ES is up in our bearish T. 15-minute gap is holding. Open high, like take this, close back inside the range. I could. We can just reverse here. Oh, beautiful. Oh, it's looking good. Stop. Really good. We also traded up into the full blown reversing. Make this 5 minute and 1 minute. I'm not gonna touch this. I'll play the discount. My draw is still. We're gonna make this 5 minute 1 minute. Right, we had that 1 minute aversion. Now we have a 5 minute gap. This actually might get stopped. Hit this 5 minute. Oh yeah. Textbook. Textbook. Look at this LR. Look at the previous. Oh, I mean, this draw looks freaking beautiful. The previous is low. Again, yes, the previous is low, but it has this daily intermediate low. What do? Trade higher on open into this hourly gap. Yes, it's already taken it, right? Take any longs. Look at that reject. That looks. Where is ES by? I just peeped that now. This was the 5 minute. That should be. That's TP. My fault. I'm just keep the ES to my left, and I'm like, God. But 5 minute IFVG targeting this low resistance liquidity. Targeting previous stage low. Doesn't. Maybe to the tick. He edged it. And ES had already taken it. This LR looks want to see us take this in. We resweep, take previous days. Cool, and we swept an hourly intermediate low. Yeah. Are we reversing right? 5 minute, 4 minute. You could have taken this 4 minute all the way down. Another entry after we sweep the intermediate low. Also, textbook at intermediate high. Mm-hmm. And holy trailing. I'm just playing out the day. See if PS wants to stay. Like a good overnight draw too. Staying right below it. But nice, two really nice trades. Again, you could take the 1 minute. I just peeped here, but I peeped ES to make this 5 minute. Unless we absolutely flush in the next candle. I don't know. It's scary. Now my 1-to-1 is still lower. Crazy. I wait for confirmation, and I get it. I is bullish there. Take out all that LR. And it doesn't matter. Even if you were, again, if you didn't take that, you trade higher. Hourly intermediate term low. We generate here. We sell off right after taking the hourly intermediate. Beautiful. Yeah, that is trades.